one time my children were young. I have 2 girls. Elder one is Sarah, younger one is Anna. There was a time in my life I asked myself this question: will the God of Jason form be the God of Sarah form? I asked myself this question. Will the God of Jason form be the God of Hannah form, my younger daughter? And I think we must never take for granted that just because I am a Christian, just because I follow God, that automatically our children will follow God. It is not exactly so easy. Yeah. The baton of faith. A baton is a stick that usually the runner will use. I don't know you know this scenario. There's one particular sports where usually there are 4 runners. Yeah, 4 runners. And then the first one will run and he will carry a baton, a stick. He will run probably about 100 meters like that. And then as he runs and approach the second runner will start running a little bit, And then the first runner will pass him, and then his hand will go something like this. Yeah. And then the next runner will have to catch the baton. And so in that race, the 4 runner will need to pass the baton from one person to the next person. The baton of faith must be passed on from one generation to the next generation.